In this Bluehost review, I'll share my experience and discuss its features, performance, and who it's best for. Check the description for Bluehost links. A popular web host, Bluehost is great for beginners and small to medium businesses. Officially endorsed by WordPress, it's known for reliability and ease of use with WordPress sites. Bluehost offers shared, VPS, dedicated, and managed WordPress hosting for various needs and budgets. Its user-friendly interface, simple dashboard, and cPanel integration make website management easy. Setting up is straightforward with one-click WordPress installation. You also get a free domain name for the first year. Plans include unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificates, and 24/7 support via chat, phone, and a knowledge base. Bluehost delivers strong uptime, averaging 99.99% and decent loading speeds thanks to SSD storage. There's also a website builder for creating sites without coding. Bluehost is ideal for bloggers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses seeking affordable and dependable hosting. It's a good fit for WordPress users because of its optimization and seamless integration. However, it might not be best for high-traffic websites or developers needing extensive server customization. Overall, Bluehost offers great value with features and performance that suit its target audience. Whether launching your first website or scaling a small business, Bluehost provides the tools you need to grow online. Check the description for more details and special offers.